Are you often caught in a dilemma where you've got that perfect photo, but an unwelcome text is ruining the vibe? Before you even think about discarding it, hold on a minute. Canva has introduced a new editor that has a few very useful features that can be handy in this situation. And in this guide, I will provide you with a step-by-step introduction on how to remove text from a photo using Canva. So, open Canva and start a new project with the dimension you want. Now, upload that photo you've got, the one with the text you want to erase. Then, drag and drop this photo into your project. In the next step, go to the Edit Photo or Edit Image. You will find this option right there on the top toolbar. Now, select the Magic Eraser tool. If you are not seeing it, there is a chance you might still be using the old editor. Simply click on the Check It Out button and switch to the brand new editor. Now you should see the Magic Eraser tool at the top. After clicking on the tool, you will need to adjust the brush size. Then simply brush over the annoying text. Canva's AI will jump into the action to try and clear it for you. All that is done automatically. And if the first attempt doesn't quite do the trick, don't lose heart. Just give it another gentle brush or two until the text vanishes. With the text gone, take a moment to admire your cleanup photo. Feel free to make any additional edits, or if you are satisfied, go ahead and download your masterpiece. That's all there is to it. Remember, the next time you stumble upon an image ruined by text, don't panic. Canva has your back. So, did you find this guide useful? Don't keep it to yourself. Share away and drop any questions you might have right here. I'm here to help.